Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. You must have seen many videos where people will tell you what kind of shares to buy and when to buy, but in this video I'll be explaining you what shares not to buy, and the point of view that I'll be telling is from price point of view. So if you have read the book Intelligent Investor, which is the go-to book for all investors, and even Warren Buffett has read that he said there, they say that even if you're buying fundamentally good stock, you should buy it at a good bargain price. So what do you mean by bargain price? That means that the stock is available at a cheaper valuation than its actual price. So that's when you should consider buying. And in this video I'll be explaining you how not to buy stocks which are overvalued. So all you need to do is just go to Google and then click 52 type 52 week high NSE. So you will get a website here. Open the first link there, and here you can see 52 week high, 52 week low. So 52 week high shares are those which are trading at 52 week high value in the last few days. So here you can see most of them, there are 58 securities, that is 58 shares are there, and all of them are August, November, August 13. So these are the shares you shouldn't be buying. Why? Because they are trading at their 52 week high value. So these are the shares, previous high date are given here, and they are arranged in alphabetical order. And why you shouldn't buy 52 week high shares is because they are trading at their maximum value, that is the highest share price they are trading at. And if you buy it right now, you might not know it will go on further, like it will keep on going down further, and it might never go up or come to its actual value. So that's why you shouldn't buy this share. So for you to give a better idea, I'll show you one more Blue Dart share. When you look at it, it's 1990 rupees, nothing wrong in this. But when you look at from a long term perspective, if you see here, it had gone to 7,600 rupees in August 2015, October 2015, and then on it has come down continuously, and it has never gone back to its high value. So if you had bought the share at the 70 to 57,000 rupees, then you would have had to bear this share even now, and without selling it for profit. So that's why you should never buy stocks at 52 week high value. Instead, just go to 52 week low, and this is the first step in selecting stock. So this is how I select the stock. I go to 52 week low, then I see if there are any good shares, and then I'll do fundamental analysis, and then I'll find out the reason why this share is at its 52 week low value. If everything seems to be fine and the reason for its 52 week low is some temporary reason, then I would buy it. And that's how I would suggest you to buy. And this is my opinion. Please do your own research and buy. And this is how you can buy shares that are at very low valuation, and not the ones that are at high valuation, because everyone will be buying this. And even if you buy, and if you get stuck in it at 152 week high value, and if that stock never comes back to that price, you can't even sell it or have it, so you'll be confused. That's why buy the shares which are at 52 week low value. This is a starting step. Just make sure you do your own analysis, and only then invest in them. So this is it, and please subscribe to my channel, and join the Telegram channel, which link is there in description below, so that I'll be giving more and more techniques and updates on how to buy shares and what shares to buy it. So one more thing I'd like to add here is, as you can see, 58 security shares are making its 52 week high value. As you know, there is pandemic still going on, and the businesses have not yet recovered to its original value, or profits are also not the same. But still, it's at such an high price because of large participation by retail investors. So Zerodha had released a document which said that the number of accounts opened were double than the accounts that were already existing during the lockdown. That is, during lockdown, so many people have opened the accounts that they all are retail investors, that is new investors. So these new investors, they don't care much about price, and they keep buying the shares. Even we would have done it when we started investing. So if you are one of the retail investors who are buying shares at any price, then please don't do it. Stop doing it right now. And you have to learn by making mistakes. But if there is an option to learn from someone else's mistakes, that's called even a smarter move, and that's what I would suggest you to do. So please subscribe to my channel, and join Telegram channel. I'll be keeping coming up with more and more such videos, which will be beneficial to both you and the people who are you sharing it with. So thank you.